Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I am Bruno Campos, also known as Baiano, CEO of Klever, and I'm here today to presentation about Klever, what we do, what we're doing, we are building. So let's get started. So, as a lot of them, a lot of us, we just started as a Bitcoiner, uh, a guy who loved the technology and loves Bitcoin. And then we started to build a lot of things. We started with a wallet, and then one, one thing just linked with another, and then now we have a huge ecosystem, not just a wallet, but a layer one blockchain that's on top of this blockchain. We built a huge ecosystem. So starting with the wallet, so we provide a self-custody wallet, multi-chain wallet with more than 40 networks integrated. So it's pretty strong. And our main goal is to be easy to use and to reduce the frictionality of to new users, newbies, jump into the crypto world, into the self-custody world. So that's the main idea of our wallets. And we also have a swap integrated that we're gonna talk a little more. Yeah, we are always concerned about security. So our source code is fully audited by Certic, and we use also our partners over there called TRM Labs to ensure that all DeFi transactions and swap transactions always screened and always safe. Create a safer environment for you as a user or partner or who will join us as a business. So that's are the main goals of Klever, right? We also create a hardware wallet also, 100% Brazilian hardware wallet. It's not Chinese. We just built from scratch in Brazil, the whole technology and everything, together with one great university of Brazil called Unifor, is the Fortaleza University. So it's we have the security certification, so it's waterproof and have some strong also in security. So even if you open the hardware wallet, you will not be able to hack it, and your private keys never leave the device. So keep you safer in these terms. So uh, I ask you guys take a look in your website and everything is very good. Made in Brazil. So as is writing here, Klever is not just app; it's the gateway to Web3. So as I said before, it's more than 40 networks that we support. So it's a gateway inside your pocket. So with the Klever wallet, you'll be able to join the crypto world and the self-custody world with security, performance, and transparency. So as I said, we have a swap tool inside the wallet. Uh, this swap is multi-chain, so you can change right now. For example, it's very unique because you can jump from the more than 40 networks like Ethereum, Solana, and Klever itself directly, for example, to Lightning. So my friend here is a hard user of the wallet. He can say a lot about that. So it's very unique because Lightning as a self-custody together with a swap function I think it's unique on the market. We don't have it in any other place. If you see, for example, a wallet of Satoshi, first of all, it's not a self-custody, so it's a custodian, and we don't have the opportunity to jump on and jump off Lightning from Ethereum, from Klever, from Solana, or any other coin of your choice. So that's why it's super unique. So as I said before, we are very focused on security, and these are the main points. We always use 3M Labs and our partners as Certic to guarantee that you are safe, you are in a safe environment. So that's it. Our swap turns technical complexity into user simplicity. As I said before, this is our goal, this is our mission, to turn the things in crypto simple to use. So that's the main idea of Klever. And finally, talking about the Klever blockchain. Klever blockchain was coded from scratch. So it's a layer 1 blockchain and built mainly to fill a gap that we saw in the market, because if you saw Solana, Ethereum, and any other chains, as I take me as example. I'm a coder, and when you want to integrate anything onto blockchain, it's hard. It's not something easy to do. So that's why we fill this gap with Klever blockchain, building a solution that is easy. You as a developer, anyone here is a developer? No developers here, but you are a developer. So have you tried to integrate something into any other chains out here? It's hard, right? It's not something easy. You agree with me? So try Klever blockchain. It's easy because we just build a SDK in Rust. First of all, our KVM and Klever virtual machine is WebAssembly based, but we have also a VS Code plugin. So in a couple minutes, you will be able to build a smart contracts. With just one click, you can deploy it on the testnet, and with another click, it's very easy to you to get some tested KLV in the faucet and start your journey. So we create the most performant environment for developers. I always say that it was built from developers to developers. That's the main idea of the Klever blockchain. So in this way, we want to reach an institutional space, and not only financial, because we can look around here and all the panels and all the stages only talk about finance, but blockchain is beyond finance. It's not just finance. Blockchain can help us to save lives in supply chain tracking, when we're talking about poisoned foods, for example, or poisoned goods and foods. We can tracking medical history. We can do a lot of things beyond finance. For example, another bigger example, the tickets to be here is not on blockchain. And if you went to a concert and want to issue a ticket, that guarantees you that it will not be falsified, so it won't be real. So blockchain is one of the answers. So blockchain is beyond finance and not just finance. And that's the idea of the Klever blockchain. As I said before, it's more than just a layer 1. It's the foundation for building real products, and not only finance, or not only in finance boundary. Finance, yes, but not only in this boundary. So We have a lot of examples in our GitHub. So we have building a lot of DeFi protocols, bridges, and a lot of examples in how to build on top of the Klever blockchain. So I ask you guys to take a look in our GitHub and our social media, and to guys take a look and try it, the technology. So that's the main idea, is to build the technology foundation for institutions that the institutions can trust, right? So it's open, audit, scalable, and ready to use. Imagine that you want to issue a ERC20 like token. So if you're gonna use, for example, EVM or any other EVM based, you're gonna need to write a smart contract. You're gonna need to audit, and you'll be at risk because if you do not audit this code, probably you'll be hacked because it's not so easy, but it's kind of easy wrecking a smart contract writing Solidity. So with Klever, you already have the whole code audit and certified by Certic. So we just can jump the steps and save your money if you want to create a new project using Web3 technology. That's the main idea of Klever. So as I said before, I ask you guys to join the Klever journey. Follow us in our social media, GitHub, and stay tuned what we are delivering. We are certainly building the next generation of Web3 technology. That's why we are here. Thank you very much. See ya.